All right. So, how do you write your first Python program? Well, writing Python programs first is nothing out of the world. It's nothing out of the ordinary. So, first of all, you need to understand that Python uses indentation or indentation to define blocks of code. This is different from languages that uses braces. So, Python basically uses indentations. So, now, hello world example now. Create a first folder named hello.py. It's important to note that Python codes are always saved as .py. That's the file extension for Python programs. Is saved as whatever you're saving, maybe index.py or whatever you're saving your Python with, but it has to have the extension .py. Then you're gonna run a code. This is the code to print out hello world. Yes, hello world. Now run the scripts by navigating to the directory in the CLI and type this is not something we're going to get into now. Let's get into Python basics.